My name is Adam Schick. I work for Rainbow International as a laborer. I talked to Pete, who's the owner of Rainbow, and I did this for 3 years in Arizona, so I have a very good mindset and I know what's going on here. It's a great environment, and I think everything they do is a learning step from what I've done before. We have a really good group of guys. I'm a type of person that likes to learn, so learning new things and how they run this as a restoration company, the aspect of it, and just the knowledge of what people do. And I like going into people's houses and helping them out, you know, in a time of need when something happens. I have the capability of retiring in 2 years, but I'm not the type of person who wants to sit at home and not work. Basically, it's simple. You come in here and put the time and effort in that they're asking, and you show dedication, even just being on time, willingness to learn. Starting out as a laborer, this company, there's room to grow. I mean, they're looking to expand to bigger crews, more trucks. You have to have somebody that can lead that crew. So if you start out as a laborer, which usually a lot of people do, I mean, there's definitely room for advance to become a manager. They also do classes that you can take, and for each class you get raises and you get more money opportunities. So the opportunity is here, you just have to be willing to do it. So I just think there's so much room to grow. The knowledge is incredible. I mean, the things that you think you know about this stuff and then you go and actually do it, it's incredible. If everything pans out for me, I'll probably retire from here.